Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So, my viewers and my subscribers, right about now, people, boy, attacking boss gonna talk about a very sad incident, my people, because based on the request from me I get, where a lot of people ask me for show some love to this brother who sadly passed away, my people. You understand, a brother who goes by the nickname of Bones, a Jamaican who was living over there in our Caribbean neighbors, people, Anguilla. You understand, and we have to show some love and respect to him, people, because a lot of people are requested, and you don't know the thing when the attacking boss come to things like them. You understand? So, this brother, you know, people, whose nickname Bones, who is originally from St. James down there in Montego Bay, Jamaica, my people. And sadly, my viewers and subscribers, on August the 4th, 2021, Bones making a very tragic car accident, people. Very gruesome one over there in Anguilla, people. And him never make it. Him drop out, people. You understand? And it's a thing when this accident do happen, and Anguilla is a very small island, my people. You understand? A lot of people was, when they hear the news say, you know, say Bones meeting a car accident, a lot of people that say, yo, John, you know what I mean? I hope him not serious. I hope him good on this, people. And when the sad news hit them, people, me I tell you, say, you say big man, big man, crying in your water, people, like a baby. You understand? Two of them, they love this man, and today, you know what I mean? Oh, them rate this man, and you know, a lot of people have be a good thing to say about this man. Well, this man, people, who was a very great footballer, who was playing soccer, you understand, if you're American, so you consider it, but you know, as Jamaican, we say football people, Zane, at a very young age, from school days up until his age, when he's in his early 40s right now, my people. You understand? So, he was also a very popular football player over there in the Master League in Anguilla, my people, representing also a local club over there. This man, who also was a local DJ as well, people, when the most of the time in spare time, people, a man who also work in the construction field, my people. So, you know, say it's a brother of many talents, you know, how Jamaicans go already, people. You understand, like that. You know what I mean? Yeah, basically Caribbean people. Yeah, basically black people, yeah. Well, my viewers and subscribers, as me I tell you, say, boy, Bones met in a very gruesome accident, people. Very deadly one, because them say he was traveling in his private car, my people, when he managed to collide in our next car, people, and boy, him drop out, my people. Saying him not make it. God left him 2 daughters in Jamaica. You know what I mean? And he was a very family-oriented man who love his daughters, love his family. You understand? And his family in Jamaica, people, have all the good things to say about him as well. And for people all over Anguilla who know him, people who come across him, people who know him because of soccer, people who know him because he play music, or people who just know him because them know him, them just have be a good thing to say. I want to see a man passed away, people, and they say we are friends. I got come forward and say, look here, we will stand fully responsibility of take care of his 2 daughters and finish schooling them and think, people. You know what that mean. You know how much love them have for this man. You know how much, you understand, people, how great this man was towards them. But my viewers and subscribers, you know, we just don't know when that minute, when that hour will be, people, when things will do go the other way, people, and you know how life is. Zane, and we have seen things like this happen before, people. It's not the first time we have our brothers or our sisters, you know what I mean, just meet them final place, you know, in some other countries, people. And you know, it's just sad for know when I travel to another country for better, you know what I mean, for get a greater life, you know, and thing, and you want better life for your family, for your daughters, your youth, your son, and for know somebody does deadly thing can happen to you, my viewers and subscribers. As I may have an uncle where would I say, people, man have a dead for man live, and when I look into it, you know, and some people that say life and death is a must, you know what I mean, because every day we have thousands of people who passed away, and every day we have thousands of people who come forward on the earth, my people. But it's just a sad situation, my people. Zane, where Bones do meet. Wow, may I tell you, people, Me I tell them, I have seen a candlelight man, and the amount of love and support where him get people, how much people that's really have good things to say about him. You see, man come forward, and man a speak, and man a say, yo, them don't even know how to express themselves, because right now they are still in disbelief. Up to the date right now, people are recording this video on August the 10th, 2021, my people. You understand? That's how the love and support still have mourn and a push out over there for him, my people. For the local football club when he used to represent over there, my viewers and subscribers, up until the time of his passing, there's also pushing out their love, pouring out their support, people, fellow team members who work with him, people who know him. You understand? Everybody just have a lot of great things to say about this man, my viewers and subscribers. But one thing I want to say, my people, Zane, in a life, I'm saying overall, when you know me cover a story like this, me always say, just show your love and to your brother and your sisters every day. Zane, show them your love. Show them how much you care. Show them how much you love them. Show them how much you appreciate them. Show them how much they are important to you in their life. You understand? Make them feel it, man. Make that spirit the reign, people, because we just don't know the time, the minute, the hour, the second when death will do come. And not just that dead people can be sickness to anything. You understand? So we always just show love. You know, make no sense to have it in our heart. So yo, you know, so I love my brother, I love my sister, but still yet, you know, check up that phone there and give him a knock, give him a message, yo, I love you and I'm a cousin. You know what I mean? You know, you not do it. But they have so much things to say when they are gone. I'm not going to say in this moment, people, because I never know Bones personally. I never know his friends, his family personally. So I'm not going to say they didn't have that relationship. But I'm just talking, you know what I mean, on a scale where people must just realize what times is it right now, people. People must realize, you know, when we say we are the final days, people, of course it's the final days. Zane, we are going to see some things happen where we have to think, we have to wonder. So to some people, they just say, yo, death is a norm, you know. Death not come like nothing to them because them used to it so much. Because on a daily basis, every day, them hear all of these death stories, them hear all about these incident, people. So some people, them say death is like nothing to them, people. But, and I really love my viewers and subscribers, man. Just show your love, show your support, show your respect to your loved ones. You understand? Just don't wait till that minute, that second day, when them gone, because nobody knows that tomorrow may bring my people. Zane, so you don't know the thing, man, from me, the attacking boss and the whole NEWLINK family. You know, we just want to say our condolences to the whole family of Bones. You understand, the great football player, great soccer player, because from school days down in the St. James side, down on the western side in Jamaica, a lot of people know him and say, yo, he was a very great and talented baller from a young age, people. A lot of people who know him, people. So I just more condolences, man, to the people over Anguilla, same way, who know him, who come across him, the friends them, and special big up to them bridging them who say, yo, them are gonna take care of him. Youth, that will show you how friend is, that will show you how brotherhood is. You understand? Maybe they are not blood brother and thing like that, you know, people, but to show you how the connection with them have with Bones, my people, and maybe they did made these promises. I never know. Sometimes friend that's the day and they make some promises and say, yo, me I tell you, you all if you know what I mean? Just a random talk, but you never know, some random speech can lead to different things. I understand, people, but I'm not going to say it's that did happen, but just saying, people, respect to them brother there who are stand responsibility for take care of Bones youth until them reach the age of them. You know what I mean? Them finish school and thing. So, more love, my people, more respect, more blessings, and just do the right thing, my people. You understand? And thanks to the love, thanks to the support, the like, the share, the comment, people. And just remember, my viewers and subscribers, the NEWLINK back to school treat 2021, people. You don't know, we need the support. You get what me ask the people, please link up the attacking boss and please support whatever you can towards this cause, my viewers and subscribers. So have to do it. Even if school now open up, even whatever them say, people, I still I gotta treat the kids them. See, I'm gonna be truthful. If me not get no support, my people, if me not get none, it still I gotta happen. Not gonna be truthful. It's still a go happen. Maybe not gonna happen big, but it's still a go happen. Because you see me, when me I do good, my people, I do it from my heart. And me ask for the support for this thing from a good while now. You understand? And you know, a lot of people link me and say, NEWLINK, we are gonna support the thing and this and that. But you don't know, we don't get no donation it, and the truth, people. So for some people they will say, yo, NEWLINK, yeah, we are look money for this and that. But you see, whatever me do, I do it in front of the eyes of the Almighty, and I do it from my heart. See? So my back to school treat 2021, it's a yearly thing when I do people, for you don't know, we are the YouTube officially people. See, when I say I want to help local people in the street, same way, which I make my promise and I go do it. Zane, because I make a promise to the Almighty and I have to fulfill it. So, you don't know my thing going on with people. I love you all, man, and thanks to love again and the support people. Remember to do like, do share, do comment. Follow me on Instagram, NEWLINK_production official, attacking boss. Facebook NEWLINK production, Twitter NEWLINK production, everywhere NEWLINK, fully NEWLINK, fully attack. Rest in peace, my brother over there in Antigua. Bones, rest in peace, fly high. Peace out, my people. Whole Antigua and Anguilla. Yeah, boy, Antigua. The whole Anguillans, brothers and sisters, big up for themselves. You don't do anything, go. Fully attack, my people. Peace out. Attack.